Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable.
Cassava piece hot right now. Cassava piece is in a no piece right now. You understand? What you know, man? Bodies are dropped like flies in a cassava piece after the whole Mavado incident. What you know, man? Big up all my new viewers, all my subscribers. Me there with another update on what go on with Mavado situation. So the other day when the whole Mavado shooting situation occur, right? You have a brother where get take out the same very evening, right? And then just recently a next one drop like fly again. You understand what I say? This brother them call him Israel. Alright. So the man them kick in him door and deal with Israel away. The man them take off him foot, take off him hand and set him ablaze. You understand what I say? It's not a good look. Cassava piece is very hot right now. Yes, what I say? Now me have to say this, viewers and subscribers, we don't want to see it go down the road here, because the next thing this I go turn out to is the Babylon them I go start put hype on the gully god and say, yo, is a personal interest because this a occur and that a occur. You understand? You have the police them now where I go say, yo, Mavado is involved and Mavado put this out on the person here and that and all of that. But me have to say this, that is not the way it have to go, you know. You see what I say? Because at the end of the day, bear in mind, Mavado does not have to send nobody, you know. You see what I say? When you're influential as Mavado is influential, you gotta have people out there, you gotta have man and man, we respect him enough. We are gonna say, dog, yeah, hear me, we can't just sit back and make them boy violate the God like that, and we not step in and do something about it. You understand what I say? Some of us don't necessarily have to tell certain man say, yo, go do things. You see, you gotta have just, you just a God man, we are gonna stand up and just say, yo, we are gonna defend the God. You see, I just saw it go. You see, Mavado have him respect, and we not talk about just from man and man in a cassava piece. Mavado have him respect from multiple people from other communities where even go in a cassava piece and go defend it. You understand what I say? Now this is why I say, from in my first review, when I bring on the update on what go on, this is why I say, yo, the man them should have never take it to the level where them bust shut off for the God. What them should have do was, them should have if you say, yo, you hear me, brother, Mavado that in a brother, make we talk it out, make we squash this thing and make it just, you know, fade way. You see me? It never have to reach to the point where man and man have to rise not tool. You see me? Because we all know, say, if Mavado wanted to, him could have bring a group of man down there and go sort out a thing. You see what I say? But Mavado is not doing that. You see what I say? Instead what the artists do, the artists say, yo, we are going to leave it in the hands of the law. You see what I say? Now this brother named Israel, as Mr. Demand them kick in him door and deal with him away. You see what I say? Are we quite sure that is not going to be the last one? You understand? As me say, now from what we hear, Israel is affiliated with the brother where Mavado had the altercation with. So I guess the man them were going and go do the action. Couldn't catch the actual brother where Mavado have the altercation with. But we all know, say right now, you know, the man them probably look for him wicked. Yes, I say, yo, watch you know, man, right now Mavado fly out and gone, leave the island for do a show. Yes, I say, and all them things here occurring in a cassava piece. The police them are drop a incursion and that go happen. You see, because what? The man them know say it go get hot. But me I go say this, you shouldn't wait until things start to happen before you send the cops them in the car. You know, say from an incident like that happen where influential artists like Mavado get disrespect, you know, say retaliations are gonna occur. You understand? So the police them should have done plant what them for plant in the community long time and say, yo, you hear me, in the event off, we there and we ready and we prepare for it. You see, don't wait for it to happen and then you go in. You see, viewers and subscribers. One thing me can say though, me sure say even if the gully god should speak up right now and say, yo, people will retaliate for me, yo, don't do it because we don't want a retaliation, we just want this done, we just want this fade way. You see me I say, me doubt the gully god can't stop it anymore because you have people out there who just respect him to that level and just go defend him even if him not give no orders. You understand what me I say? As me say before, the gully god could have stepped down there with a group of man when him go confront the brother and go deal with that thing wicked, but instead the man go by himself. The man not go for confrontation, but things get out of hand. You see what me I say? And even after it get out of hand, it could have get worse, but instead of getting worse, the man say, yo, me go leave it in the hands of the law and make the law deal with it. But you have some arted in a Jamaica where we stand up for the artist, all who don't know the artist, just go defend him. Yes, what me I say, viewers, subscribers, more you talk to me in the comment section. Make me know what you think. Yes, what me I say, make me know if you don't feel like this I go fade over, blow away fast, or if you don't feel like it I go get out and worse. But watch a footer hype I say, yo, him a beg for peace in a cassava piece right now. Yes, what me I say, him no want it get no worse. I mean I go tell no lie, me no want it get no worse neither, because right now as it is, This is very wrong. Yes, I mean I say Jamaica no need no more hotness go on down there because Jamaica hot already. You see me? Watch you now, no man. Cassava Peace residents. Listen me now if you hear the review here. The man them need for just easy, loud that alone. And shatters, if you do better than we are gonna defend the gully God too. Yo, easy man, if the God now defend it, if the God now push certain kind of acts, yo, just ease off and allow that alone too. Yes, I mean I say, watch out. It's another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment and subscribe. And no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable.